I like these. Like the earbuds, like wireless earbuds, I feel like the quality is always iffy, but the quality on these is really nice.
I like that. The sound is really clear. You can hear the bass really well.
I'm a classic rock person. Yeah, the bass sounds really good in these. You can kind of like, you can hear the split and it's just going back and forth in your ears. That's really awesome.
Sounds really nice. It's cool that it's on the back of the phone. I really like that they can attach to your phone because I am used to them just being in my pocket or like my purse or something, and so it's very easy to lose them. So I'm actually really interested in this, and you know, the new iPhone actually has a magnet, so it seems like it would really attach. It's super easy to use.
They're like, wireless earbuds are so small that it's so easy to lose them no matter what, but the fact that they're just like right on the back of your phone, like I'm probably not gonna lose my phone, hopefully. So it's like, it's super nice to have like that flexibility.
Because, you know, if they're missing, you can tell immediately. You don't have to open the case when you've already left and be like, oh no, where did my AirPods go? So that's really cool.
Just snap it on your phone and you can walk away. It's pretty cool.
These fit real nice in my ear. I like that.
Super light too.
They slide in and out real easy, and they fit nice too. It's like all that you're looking for, really, I feel like.